Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very delicious comfort food, which is noodle soup, also known as Sui Mein. This is an absolute delicious, comfort food for winters. During winters, this is a perfect, thing that you can eat that will give you warmth. So let's get started how to make Sui Mein or noodle soup. Alright, first I'm going to do is putting some dry mushrooms in my hot pot where the water is boiling, and add other vegetables like carrots, okay. These vegetables take longer to cook, that's why I'm adding in first. And I'm also going to add a couple of chicken pieces. Okay, so I get this to a boil. So in this way, what is going to happen is the chicken is going to cook, the carrot is going to cook, and also the mushrooms, which are dry, will get rehydrated. Next also I'm going to add is green peas and sweet corn. Now to season the broth, I'm going to use one big teaspoon of garlic powder, one teaspoon of chicken broth powder or chicken seasoning powder. You can add whatever vegetables you want to the broth to make a lovely broth soup. Next, while it's cooking, I'm going to add some tofu. My soup. I've added some tofu. Mix it properly. Look how delicious it looks already. I can't wait for it to cook. Let's have a look now and see. The chicken is cooked. Mushrooms are nice and plumpy. See, they've got rehydrated. The green peas and the corn looks cooked. So is my carrots. And I've tasted it as well. It's perfectly seasoned. Finally, I'm going to add my noodles to it. And added one packet of noodles to my broth. See? And I'm going to allow this to cook for another 5 minutes and then take it off immediately, and my soup noodle is ready. My Sui Mein looks absolutely ready now. I'm going to serve this as well. Alright, another 5 minutes and my Sui Mein is ready. So here you go. My noodle soup looks ready. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the bell icon so that you get further notification about my next recipe. Also, don't forget to like and comment on my recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home. Absolutely comfort food during winters. This is a perfect food that you will like to eat. Alright then, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.